has taken 3 years for the group at Audi Sport to outline and build up the 2018 Audi RS5. 3 years of re-examining and re-engineering Audi's A5 Roadster into a superior machine, one that Audi says draws motivation from the Audi 90 Quattro-Imsa GTO race autos of the 1980s. Close to the finish of that procedure, RS5 models burned through 3 weeks lapping the Nürburgring's North Loop, recording 5,000 miles of bad-to-the-bone rapid testing. The outcome is one of Audi's speediest and quickest four-situate roadsters ever. Lamentably, Arizona's state police and their white Ford Explorers have little enthusiasm for us examining the RS5's 174 mph top speed or its 3.7-second 0 to 60 mph increasing speed. Under fresh blue skies, we're northbound in a Sonoma green RS5, a select shading, on Route 87 toward Payson, a drowsy enclave in the Tonto National Forest made well known by creator Zane Grey in the 1920s. The totally open four-path plunges, jumps and twists, yet its 55 mph speed restraint is entirely implemented, and Arizona's young men dressed in blue furnished with moment radar have recently reviewed two and are gathering for extreme speed.